Welcome to Onyx Garage video tutorial. In this video we will show you how to create an invoice for a vehicle and customer that are already saved in Onyx. We will also demonstrate the two different options for data entry in Onyx. There are a number of different ways to access the functions in Onyx, but for this example we will use the tiles on the home screen. Click the Invoice with Vehicle tile. You can now start to type the registration number of the vehicle we are looking for, and it will be displayed in the drop-down list. Notice that Onyx has also loaded the owner of this vehicle. Update the mileage as necessary and then press Next. Here we can add parts and labour. Your commonly used items are available in the drop-down lists. Or you can press the button to add a new part. You can enter the part details into the screen, and you can also search the inventory of saved parts, where you can select an item and add it to your invoice. You can also add items by right-clicking. You can enter a one-off part. You can also record additional details against the part. In this example, we've recorded where we bought the used part from. This will not be shown on the customer's invoice. The total of the invoice is shown along the bottom, and we can preview the invoice at any point. The invoice will show as draft at this point as it has not been saved. When you have added all the items to the invoice, press print and you will be asked if you want to complete the document. Press yes and you will then be asked if you want to make a payment. If you do not make a payment now, you can come back to the invoice and make a payment later. You can also make multiple payments if your customer wishes to pay part in cash and part on card. You will now see a preview of the invoice, which you can either print or email. We will now show you the same process again, but using the alternate method of entering data directly into the grid. Notice that we are now entering data directly into the grid. It is up to you which option you use, but the system is set by default to use the pop-up screen. Please subscribe and check out our other videos.